In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view logs in Base44. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just someone looking to get a deeper insight into your app's performance, understanding how to access and use logs can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in and take a closer look. First things first, you'll need to open your project in Base44. To get started, simply navigate to Base44 and open the application that you want to inspect. This will be your starting point as you begin the process of accessing and reviewing your logs. Once you have your project open, the next step is to access the developer or app settings. At this stage, you'll need to keep an eye out for a settings area or a menu that includes options like developer tools, monitoring, logs, or debug console. These settings are usually tucked away within the interface, but you can commonly find them in places like the sidebar, a menu located at the top right corner, or within the deployment and settings area. The exact location can vary depending on your specific configuration, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with these areas if needed. Once you've navigated to the correct section, the next step is to open the logs section itself. This is where you'll be able to see a detailed record of all the activities happening within your app, which can provide valuable insights into any issues or areas for improvement. The logs offer a great view of what's been happening under the hood, allowing you to track errors, performance metrics, and other crucial data points. Now, to make the most of the logs, you might want to filter them. This can help you zero in on the specific information you're looking for. Perhaps you're interested in seeing only error messages, or maybe you're looking to filter by date or event type. Using filters allows you to customize your view, helping you quickly find the pertinent information without having to wade through pages of details. Most logging interfaces in Base44 offer a range of filter options that you can apply, and it's worth spending the time to set your filters to streamline your troubleshooting process. Remember, the logs are there to assist you, providing insights that can guide your development efforts and help resolve any issues efficiently. Whether you're troubleshooting a specific problem or just monitoring routine operations, logs are an invaluable tool in your developer toolkit. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view logs in Base44, a crucial skill that can aid significantly in your development journey. Thanks for joining this walkthrough, and be sure to return for more guides on optimizing your experience with Base44.